Let's learn Quit Drinking Tomorrow. It's choreographed by myself, Michelle Wright. It is a 32 count, 4-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Quit Drinking Tomorrow. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a right step, lock, step. So you're going to step your right foot forward, bring your left foot in and behind your right, step your right foot forward, and then you're going to scuff your left heel slightly into the diagonal. Step your left foot forward into the left diagonal, touch your right next to your left. Step your right foot back, touch your left next to your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your step, lock, step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 9 o'clock. Touch your right next to your left. Step your right foot to the right side, touch your left next to your right. We're now going to do a grapevine to the left, stepping your left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left, step your left foot to the left side, and touch your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right. You're making that quarter turn, stepping to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A little trick about the end of the first section and the beginning of the second section is that is a turning K step. It's just broken up into the 2 sections. So when you're learning it or when you're teaching it, you can kind of do it as a turning K step. So you would think diagonal touch, back touch, turn, touch, side touch. So a little bit of an easier trick to do is just to let your students know that is a turning K step. Section 3, we're going to do 2 quarter turning Monterey's. So we're going to point our right toe to the right side, and as we point our right, you're going to slightly angle your body to the left. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, turning on our left foot as we step our right next to our left. You're now at 12 o'clock. Point your left toe to the left side, step your left next to your right. We're now going to repeat that. You're going to point your right toe to the right side, slightly angling your body to the left. You're going to make that quarter turn over your right shoulder, turning on your left foot as you step your right foot next to your left. Point your left toe to the left side, and then step together with your left. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our grapevine. You're going to do your 2 Monterey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to rock forward with our right foot. Recover back onto your left. We're going to do a half shuffle, turning over our right shoulder. You're going to make a quarter turn, step your right foot to the right side, step your left next to your right, and then make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 9 o'clock. We're now going to step forward with our left foot. You're going to do a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 3 o'clock. Step forward with your left foot, and then you're going to scuff your right heel forward. And that is the whole dance. So let's try that with some counts, and then I'll tell you a way that you can take that turn out if you would like. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our rock. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if you or somebody you teach does not like to do turns or cannot do turns, you can replace that turning shuffle with a rock, shuffle back, rock back, recover, step, scuff. So you'll leave out that full turning motion. So if you do not want to turn, you'll still do your rock, recover. You'll just shuffle back with your right, rock back, recover, step, scuff. And you can leave out that turn completely. For anybody that gets dizzy doing turns or anything that they do not like to do a turn, feel free to replace it with that. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. I am going to do the turning shuffle and the half pivot. So if you are somebody that does not like to do those turns, feel free to replace it with the option that I said. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your step lock. So it's step, lock, step, scuff, diagonal touch, back touch, quarter touch, side touch, grapevine to the right, Monterey, point, quarter turn, point, step, point, quarter turn, point, step, rock, recover, half shuffle, half pivot, step, scuff. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your step, lock, step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the ending. Your final wall will be wall 10. You will start facing the 3 o'clock wall. The dance would technically end facing 6, but if you were somebody that likes to end facing 12 o'clock, this is a good ending to do. So you'll dance up to count 28, which is your step half pivot. So let's dance up to that part and then we'll talk about how to make it go to the front. So weight is on your left, you're doing your step lock. So it's step, lock, step, scuff, diagonal touch, back touch, quarter touch, side touch, grapevine to the left. Monterey, quarter turn, Monterey, quarter turn, rock, recover, half shuffle, step, half pivot. Now, instead of doing a step scuff, you're just going to do another step, half pivot to the front. So you'll go step, half pivot, and you will end facing 12 o'clock right as the song ends. Other than that, you don't have to worry about anything else. I chose to leave out all of the restarts. There could have been a bunch of them, and I just chose to dance through them because they end up fixing itself, and you don't notice them not being there. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your step lock. So it's step, lock, step, scuff, diagonal touch, back touch, quarter touch, side touch, grapevine to the left, Monterey, quarter turn, Monterey, quarter turn, rock, recover, half shuffle, half pivot, step, scuff, start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, lock, step, scuff, diagonal touch, back touch, quarter touch, side touch, grapevine to the left. Monterey, quarter turn, Monterey, quarter turn, rock, recover, half shuffle, step, half pivot, step, scuff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo, or you can use the rear demo video posted on my channel so that you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Quit Drinkin' Tomorrow. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.